Well, I'm going to go fertilize my garden. I show you how I do that. I put a cultivator sweep. I use it for like a almost like a middle buster, and I go down beside the plants, open up a little furrow, and put the fertilizer in, cover it back up. Let me show you what I'm doing here. I've got a little quick change. I adapted several implements to this old, I don't know what brand it is, don't have it, it's all metal, everything's metal, handles are metal, everything's metal. Adapted several implements to this, and this is just one of them. This sweep goes on a set of big cultivators for a big tractor. Anyway, let me show you what I'm doing. So I've got a generic 13 that I got from my feed store. Be putting that out. I try to put out about a cup or less, somewhere between half a cup and a cup every 10 feet. So a 30-foot row should be about a pound of fertilizer. So now I cover it up. You want to cover the fertilizer up so it doesn't wash away, so it goes down into the ground toward the roots. I only use about half that amount on my onions because I want them sweet. Nitrogen will make them a little hot, so you may want to take that in consideration on your onions. Use about half of what I use everywhere else. So that's it. It's windy. We got a storm coming. We got a lot of rain next 24 hours. Quite a bit of rain, so I want to get this done. I try to fertilize every 7 days. I've really found that to be optimum. I learned that in the Mittleider course. I have the Mittleider gardening course that was recommended by TexasPrepper2 and fertilizing every 7 days really kicks them in the butt, you know. So that's what I've been doing, and trying to, you know, every week, every 10 days, something like that. But anyway, got her done, got her fertilized. Rains are coming, and that'll be good for us. All right, we'll see you next time. We got